So, good morning, everyone. At this time, I want to say you're too much welcome to this session of our discussion for today, where we always learn different aspects in life. So, you find that, like, basically today, I'm going to take you through some other things in life in under the information sources. And today, we are going to deal a lot, majorly on the issue of the plagiarism, as used in most of the essays that we people do submit. So, at first and foremost, I would love to introduce you to the definition of our discussion for today. That is plagiarism. So you find that this plagiarism at times can be the act of using someone else's work or ideas or words without proper credit on it. So if I find that it happens in writing, actually this thing always happens when you're writing essays or you're making music or art, coding or any form of creative or what academic work. Therefore, find that this plagiarism that we always get in terms of like you get someone's work, you copy it just and paste without even doing some other clarifications on it. So it's not essential. So you find that there are quite different forms of plagiarisms or other types. So today I'm going to be taking you through most of them. So you find that there is what we call direct plagiarism. Direct plagiarism simply means like you copy someone else's work or word for word without citation, which means that you will go and get the work from someone, but when you try to bring it to your essay, find that it is not easier for you. Maybe you have not put the citation, which will guide someone who is going through your work. Like if you want to get this work, you can go to such and such a book. Take for instance, you're doing research maybe on biology. You have to give a citation like you can get this work maybe in BS. This is such and such a topic and the page. That's what we refer to as what the direct plagiarism. Then yeah, there is also another type of plagiarism that is called the self plagiarism. You find that this one here, the self plagiarism, it is like reusing your own previous work without permission or citation. Like you have been given the essay and you have already used it, but after some time you will use that very work to upload, or either you get part of that work you are attached to your current work now, then you upload or you submit without the conscience of the professor or anyone who is responsible for it. So you find that it can also fall under what self plagiarism. Then there is also the paraphrasing plagiarism. This one here, I find that it is paraphrasing means like rewriting. It's rewriting someone else's ideas in different words without giving a credit. This can be you using now the synonym just to change cause something slightly from someone's work instead of instead of giving a crediting on that thing. So you find that we can also be having another form of plagiarism, which can be our fourth point. That is the mosaic plagiarism. This one now, it's actually mosaic simply means like these things of mix. So you mix phrases or ideas from different sources without citation. You get something from this source, go and get from another source. Take for instance, like as we talked in biology, you can get a point when you're doing a topic, you can get some highlights from BS, then you can go and get some highlights from Susan Toole or functional biology, but there is no citation in it because this will now make work for someone who is going through your work. He or she will find it difficult because now there is no citation that can tell the person that you go to such and such a point, you will get your work there. So you find that after that there is what we call the accidental plagiarism. You find that the accidental plagiarism, it simply means like forgetting to cite sources or improperly paraphrasing the content. Your work might even be correct now, but now for you as a researcher, you just forgot how to cite it or improperly just paraphrasing it. So you find that these are the five forms of plagiarism that I want to take you through, and you find that and you find we can be able now to avoid this kind of plagiarism. Simply, it's considered unethical in academics or what journalism, and it's creative in industries. It can lead to serious consequences. That's why you find that this plagiarism at times it's not good. Like legal issues, loss of credibility, or academic penalties, at times they can finalize you as a student, you'll be penalized. Then we can avoid this plagiarism. What you need to do, you should always cite sources properly or use quotation marks when necessary and check your work with the plagiarism detection tools for you to get know that this work is what is the right work that I'm doing. So, members, friends, that this is what I wanted to bring to you today in this discussion of ours on plagiarism. That's what we can do for us to get the clear research on what you are doing. Make sure you always remember to identify the clear source of the information that you're doing so that you can be able to get the right citation for us to avoid these issues of plagiarism, such cases. I would love to stop here and I wish you guys all the best. Love the videos, comment and subscribe so that you can be able to be updated on whatever goes on, whatever we upload can be benefit to you people. I would love to wish you all the best. Stay safe wherever you are. Stay tuned. Thanks for your time.